What up, y'all? I'm on this app. Ibotta. I'm show you how you can basically get free groceries. This is a cashback app. So basically, whatever product that they have on here, if you buy it, you're gonna get cash back immediately for buying it. At all types of different stores you see here. This is a few of the recommended ones. Popular stores: Walmart, Walgreens, Target. Stores like that. You have even more. It's not all of them. This is just ones that they recommend that are close to you in your area. Same thing, like you just they're gonna show you the closest ones to you, but you can go to basically any one of them. I'm gonna show you how much I've made total with this app, because I've made a lot of money with it. I made $76, a little bit, almost $77 total, and you see here my balance right now is at $7.94. So basically, this is what you do. Like I was showing you, the stores you can go to, you can click find offers, and it will show you all the different stores you can go to. Again, they're all up here. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to Walmart. So I'm gonna click on Walmart, and it's gonna show me all of the prices, all of the items that they're actually giving cash back for in Walmart. So wait for it to load up right there. And I mean, it's a very simple thing to use. It'll show the product. If you're gonna buy it, you click on it, and it'll show you how much it's paying back. So say, for instance, if I go buy any type of diapers, I get 25 cents back. All right, doesn't matter what it says, any brand, any variety, any size. All right, you see here, if I buy milk, this dairy pure, I get $1 back. If I buy the chocolate chip cookie mix, I get 75 cents back. You know what I'm saying? Any type of deli meat, 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? All of this stuff here, all these items that they have, if I buy them, it'll show you the amount that you get back. If I go back up to the top, you can kind of see it kind of organized. If you want something in produce section, you go over to produce. If you're not going to get fruits and vegetables, it'll show you all the things that will be in the produce section that you can get cash back for. You know what I'm saying? Very, very, very informative and organized. But you're going to get cash back for any of these products that you buy. All you have to do is put it in when you buy it. It'll be in your receipt. Take a picture of your receipt, and it will pick up on it, and basically give you the cash back. If for whatever reason it doesn't, you can always scan the barcode after you purchased it, and then you get your cash back. You know what I'm saying? That's just in case your receipt is too hard to read or something like that, something crazy. But I mean, that's all it is. I mean, you're getting cash back to shop. And the really good thing about this app is once you download it and create and actually go get your first offer, they're going to add $5 to your account. You know what I'm saying? So not only are you getting cash back for shopping, but you can start out with $5 on your account. Same thing in another store. If I go to Target, they're going to show me all the things that I can get in Target. Same thing. Just scroll down and just look at the items that they have. I didn't mean to click on that, but I mean, it's simple to use. I mean, just cash back forever. You can do all of this all day. You can go over to any item. You know what I'm saying? So click on that, and they actually will usually have an item right here. It'll be the first one. I don't have it on here because I used it this morning actually. Where you can basically buy anything in the store and they'll give you 10 cents back. So it doesn't matter what store you go to. When it says any item, the first one usually be any item, any brand, any size, whatever it is, you get 10 cents. But then it'll get a little bit more detail, like granola. Buy any type of granola, get 25 cents back. Any type of diapers, any type of ice cream, chocolate chip, yogurt, Bloody Mary mix, dry dog food mix. You know what I'm saying? All of these different things you automatically get cash back for. You don't have to buy a certain type of brand, but most of them, like if I go to dairy and eggs, show me all the things in that section I need to buy in order to get the cash back. So I mean, it's very simple to use. You just buy it, you click on it that you bought it. Everything that you buy, click on the plus sign and just add it to your little, I guess you can call it a cart in this app. And then once you buy it, you take a picture of your receipt and you'll get cash back for each one of those items. And like I said, if for whatever reason the receipt doesn't pick up all the items that you bought, scan the barcode. But it'll only work if you actually bought the product. You can't scan the barcode and not buy it because they won't give you the cash back. I mean, they have ways of detecting that. So you're going to get your cash back easily. You do this enough, you'll find out you're getting groceries for little or nothing. You're basically getting groceries for free. So I'm really encouraging you guys to download this app. Very, very good app. It'll get you money. or something you have to do anyway. Everybody has to go grocery shopping, so why not get paid for it? You know what I'm saying? You see, I've already gotten $76.94 from it, and I'm continuing to go with it. You know what I'm saying? So the link to this app will be in the description. Click on it today, sign up. When you do your first offer, you will get $5. And you know what I'm saying, you can make a lot of money with it grocery shopping. I mean, get paid to grocery shop. It does not get any better than that. So download the app today, click on the link in the description, get started, and always remember, every penny counts.